Lesson 6. Debugging. Before getting to know what debugging is, shall we play a game? Game 1. See this maze. You have to find the bugs in the maze and remove them by double-clicking on them using your mouse. Wow, you have removed all the bugs. Let's play another game. Kids, what is this? This is a bowl filled with rice. Can you see the bugs running on top of the rice and some hidden inside? Now you need to remove the bugs in the bowl. In order to remove the hidden bugs, you can shake the bowl by clicking the Shake the Bowl button. Amazing! Now the rice is clean without bugs and is ready for cooking. Coming back to our programming, just like we removed bugs from the rice bowl, some bugs are visible and some are hidden inside the rice. You need to find out all the bugs and remove them to make the rice completely clean. In the same way, in computer programs, there are some bugs that are visible and some are hidden. You need to find all these bugs and remove them in order to make the program run successfully.